So in this video, we are looking at higher order function and callbacks. So in JavaScript, we have a special ability that we can take function as an argument or return a function as an argument. So those function that takes a function as an argument or return a function as an argument, those are called higher order function. So then what is callback? Callback is argument to the function. So this higher order function takes an argument, right? So that argument is called callback. So this is theory. So interview will ask you to code it. So what you can do is you can make a higher order function according to definition. So here I have higher order function, and according to our definition, it takes an callback, right? Callback is a function. So it takes it as an argument, and let us suppose we also have a value here that we passing as an argument. So we do some logic here. For example, well, if the number we getting is even, then we'll call this function with an argument true. Okay. Else, if it's odd, we're going to like call back with false. So what it do is this function takes a function as an argument, and after performing some logic, it calls this function, right? So this is the definition of a higher order function. Now let us suppose we call a demo function. We have to like declare it. So here we have this demo function, and yeah. So let us suppose we have a value here, and we set this value using this function set value. Now what does set value do? It takes a boolean as an argument like true or false and assign it to value. Good. Okay. So now what we want to do is we want to call this higher order function. Higher order function, which is taking a function as argument. So we can pass this function set value. So here set value will be our callback function, and we can pass one a random number. So let us quickly define the random number. So we can say const rand equal to math. We can use math dot random to generate a number between 0 and 1, where 1 is exclusive and 1 is inclusive, right? And if we multiply it by 10, we get a number from 0 to 10, where 0 is included and 10 is excluded. Now we can wrap this to math dot store, so that we can get a number from 0 to 9. So we are passing this function. Now we are good to like check what we are passing the set value as a callback. When this random number is even, we set we pass the argument true to callback, otherwise we pass the argument false. So here we can check the value, this dot value. We can also check this number, right? So we just need to run it now. Okay, so there is some reference here. Demo function is not defined because here d is like small. So if we run it again, now we get this random number 6. So this is even. So according to our knowledge, we set this callback, we pass that true to callback. It get true here, and we set this value to true. So now here we getting true. We can quickly run it again. Now it's still true because it's still even. Once it get odd, the value get false. So this is basically our higher order function and this is our callback function.